Question 1, would you recommend Bing plus Google for SEM for better result?
So I think for this, I would say, hey, Bing plus Google, I think just now we mentioned is also for Bing, right? The main challenge is I would say, the volume of searches. So if it's too low, sometimes, as in we will ask ourselves like, hey, is it like even worthwhile to
Yep.
manage additional channel? Because any additional channel, right, regardless of the budget size, it's still some amount of man hours. And what is the ROI from this? Yeah, so sometimes we also will tell clients, say, hey, it's really depending on the search volume as well. It's too low, then does it justify this or not? Yeah, so of course, if it's a e-commerce company, then it'll be easier for us to measure the ROI based on things like the ROAS, whether it's worthwhile to continue, right? So because for one client, it's worthwhile to continue because even though the volume is not high, it's literally like free money in a way, because you put in the ROAS, if I recall correctly, is around 10x kind of thing, where you put in $1, you get $10 back. So the volume is not high to really move the needle, but it's literally like free money. But for agency wise, it's something that additional channel to manage. Yeah. So it depends, because certain industry, B2B, I don't know whether if the search volume is high or not. You always might want to do a check. Yeah, because search
Yeah.
volume is everything for Google search or even like for
Unless
search ads.
unless you're a global market, because Bing's market share as of 2021 is 7%, Yahoo is 3%, and the balance is with Google. So
Wow.
you have to, like I think Jason mentioned correctly, you have to look at the industry that you're in, research whether Bing's actually covers the market.
Correct.
If it doesn't, by all means you should
Correct.
spend money lah.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
but sometimes I think Google is the cost per click getting too high. Then you also need to revisit to see like, is it still worthwhile to continue? Because the
yeah.
cost per lead is like maybe 500 for one lead. Then is it still worthwhile to pursue that channel or not? Yeah, so that's where we as an agency will need to give like a genuine advice lah on this.